In this tutorial, we'll walk through how fans can leave you messages on PodInbox. Let's take a look at a sample PodInbox page we've already set up. This is a sample page for our podcast, Podcast Growth Hacks. When you sign up for PodInbox, we'll give you a customizable page, a lot like this one. Except you'll have your own custom Vanity URL. This URL is where you'll tell your fans to go to leave you audio messages. We recommend you promote this link in your podcast episodes, your show notes, podcast website, bio links, anywhere it's convenient for your fans to find this page. Once they come here, they'll check out your page, read your prompts, and to record their message, they'll just click this button here. Here, we let them choose their mic if they have a preferred input option, and then they can press record. Hey Pat, I'm a longtime listener and a huge fan of your show. I just had a question for you about this and that. Then I can always preview the recording to make sure I like it. Hey Pat, I'm a longtime listener and a huge fan of your show. If I do, I can just press save recording. Done. Now, in this example, I'm already logged in, but if I wasn't, and I tried to save recording, it'd prompt me to create an account or log in order to submit my message. We do this for two things. One, capture this contact for you in our dashboard. And two, allow for some moderation features to limit spam. After submitting the message appears right here in the public feed where other fans can listen to it and like it. Fans also have access to their dashboard where they can click on messages sent to see all the messages they've left to the podcasters they engage with on PodInbox. With PodInbox, we try to make this the most easy and fun experience for both podcasters and your fans.